Good evening, and a warm welcome back to the Refreshing Point. I also hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you how grapefruit is nature's medicine. Grapefruits can be classified as one of nature's medicines because they are instrumental in addressing various diseases. Grapefruits are a popular citrus fruit enjoyed by millions of people. However, what many may not be aware of is that grapefruits are one of the most highly regarded fruits when it comes to healthy nutrients and healthy benefits. Consuming grapefruits on a regular basis boosts the immune system and helps prevent colds. Additionally, grapefruit juice is effective in healing sore throats, eliminating coughs, and reducing fevers. Grapefruits are also instrumental in increasing the body's alkalinity and reducing acidity, and in preventing or treating various diseases. Regularly eating grapefruit can help reduce your appetite and help with weight loss. There have been a few studies about grapefruit and weight loss. In one, obese people who ate half a grapefruit or drank half a cup of grapefruit juice before meals for 12 weeks lost more weight than those who didn't eat or drink any grapefruit products. Grapefruits are made up of 90% water, which helps to improve metabolism and lose weight more easily. Grapefruit is an immune-boosting machine. Its high vitamin C content can protect cells from dangerous bacteria and viruses. Studies show that vitamin C helps speed up the recovery time of the common cold. Grapefruit contains other vitamins and nutrients that have immune-boosting properties as well, including vitamin A, which has been shown to protect against inflammation and infectious diseases. Grapefruit also helps to lower blood pressure. Antioxidants are not only beneficial for fighting cancer, but they also benefit heart health. A study from 2006 found that individuals who eat grapefruit regularly are more likely to have healthy cholesterol levels, which is a contributing factor to blood pressure. It is the potassium content in grapefruit that is associated with its ability to reduce blood pressure. Grapefruit can promote glowing skin. Grapefruit is loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals that promote premature aging and contribute to dull and lifeless skin. For a healthy and naturally radiant glow, aim to eat a couple of grapefruits each week. Grapefruit can prevent insulin resistance, which can ultimately lead to higher insulin and sugar in the blood, which is a key risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Research shows that eating grapefruit may help control insulin levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. In one study, participants who ate fresh grapefruit before meals had reduced insulin levels and reduced insulin resistance compared to participants who did not consume grapefruit. Most of us eat grapefruit in the traditional way, by cutting it in half and enjoying it with a spoon. But that gets boring fast. Try these creative ways to add more grapefruit to your diet. Cut the flesh of the grapefruit into small pieces and add it to salads. Also, you can try to freeze bite-sized pieces of grapefruit and add them to water in place of ice cubes. It should be noted, however, that grapefruits do interact with certain medications, which may cause potentially dangerous side effects. This is due to the fact that they interfere in the absorption of certain medications. Therefore, if you are taking medications, consult a qualified health professional before consuming grapefruits or grapefruit extracts. As always, thank you for watching. Good day and good health.